So the Maverick has been gauging the temperature leading into the Royal Navy Contender Final coming up on Wednesday. And the consensus seems to be that Frank Holmes no have no chance and will be like a lamb to the slaughter against Magic Man Salas. But the Maverick sees it differently. I think Frank Holmes will have a chance against Salas. People make it sound like Salas is way out of class and he will knock out Frank in the first round. I think it will be a closer fight than that. People using the Moncrief fight against Salas to write off Frank Holmes. Look, Moncrief got excited and fought a full fight against Salas and got knocked out. I can't see Frank Holmes seeing that and come make the same mistake. And even before that Moncrief fight, the Nikoyeyu stoppage in the quarterfinal was premature. And in his first fight, Salas was pushed to 4 rounds by a journeyman fighter. We know he's younger and fitter than Frank, but this is not a foregone conclusion. I just hope this wave of negativity and pessimism and defeatism don't creep into the Frank Holmes camp and affect his confidence going into the fight. Without any apology, the Maverick will carry Frank Holmes to win this fight and win the contender and win the $2 million. Keep the money in Jamaica. What you mean? We need it. So you know,